This is a review of the QTKJ battery pack for cordless phones. I ordered a package of 6 batteries for $11.35 from Amazon. This is available for Prime delivery, free 1 day, and mine did arrive in 1 day. I have a set of 10 decked 6.0 AT&T cordless phones. I've had these for many years, and now the batteries wear out during any kind of prolonged conference call. This shows the original batteries, which have a capacity of 500 milliamp hours. This is much less than the 750 milliamp hours that the new batteries have. Both batteries are 2.4 volts and both are nickel metal halide. This shows the new battery. It's important to verify that the connectors match your existing connectors and the size of the battery will fit in your phone. I ordered 6 of these batteries back in September, which is 5 months ago, and they have been working flawlessly on the phones on which I installed them. And I've been in conference calls longer than an hour, and the battery indicator doesn't even begin to budge. So this is the second set of these batteries I purchased in order to install them in the remaining phones. I anticipate getting perhaps another 5 to 10 years use out of the set of batteries, and I have no hesitation recommending them.